Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to create a sales page in Teachable. The link to the Teachable will be in the description below, so let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So first thing first is to open up Teachable page builder. So for that, all you have to do is to first log into your Teachable admin dashboard like this, and you will be redirected to this page. Click on the courses. So on the left hand side you will see courses. In the left hand menu, and select the specific courses you are going to set up. For example, if you want to go and set up this YouTube, just select this one. Once you have selected this, the second step is to hook them with a hero header. So make sure that you hook it with the hero header and add that header in it. Once you do that, add a high converting promo video. So either you can add a high converting promo video and all that stuff over here, just drag yourself down and you will be able to add it. The other thing is outlining your benefits and curriculum. Then step 5 is dropping the social proof. Nothing sells a course better than a happy student. Grab a testimonial block and add 3-4 glowing reviews or case studies. Step 6 is set up your pricing block, and once you do that, you'll be able to complete it and then just save the changes. If you like the video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. See you.